Good morning, student. Heartily welcome to the new academic session 2021 and 22. As you know, student, due to this pandemic situation, again we are starting our online classes. As you know, student, I am your biology teacher, Sapna Borde ma'am. I hope you all are healthy and happy at home. Take care, student, and as well as you take care your parents also. Stay safe, stay home. Let us start our today's lecture. See, student, in that video we are going to study about that the cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. In the previous classes already we have studied about that the tissue. So you know that, student, what is the cell. Cell is the basic unit of our life. Means, see, our brain is made from cell, our body part is made from cell, plant leaf is also made from cell. Means every living organism is made from a single cell, and this is the structure of cell. In that lesson we are detailed study about that the structure of cell, and in that video first of all we will study the basic information about the cell. Got it, student? Let us start the video. See, student, I told you the cell is the basic unit of life. Means the whole organisms, long mango tree, banana tree, means all the living organism is made from a single cell. Let us give the example. See, student, our house is made from bricks. You know bricks means, see, our building, there are 4 rooms. Each room have a 4 wall, and each wall is made from a single bricks. Got it? Means you know that our house, the basic unit of our house is a bricks. Means our house is made from a bricks. We are using millions, trillions bricks, and we are make a building. Same like that, all living organism is made from a single cell. Means the bunch of the cell form tissue, the bunch of the tissue form organ, and the bunch of the organ form organ system. Means, see, this is a stomach. The stomach, small intestine, large intestine, esophagus, buccal cavity, anus, these are the part of the digestive system. Okay, means the organ together form a organ system, and the many organ system form the organism. Means our body all present the digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, excretory system. In the previous classes already we have studied about that the system. Got it, student? What is mean by cell? Cell is the basic fundamental unit of life. Means our life, plant life, means all organisms, all living organisms are present in our earth, which are made from a single cell. And in that lesson we have to detail study about that the cell. As you know, the cell is the very smallest unit. Means we cannot see the structure of cell with the help of our naked eyes, so we required some magnification. Let us see the invention of microscope. As you know, what is mean by microscope? Let us study the microscope. Microscope means the device. With the help of this device we are magnification of the smallest things. Okay, what is mean by microscope? Means cell is the very smallest unit. Means the cell is very small, we cannot see with the help of our naked eyes. We required the microscope to observe the cell. The first microscope was invented by the Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He was discovered the first microscope, and he was observed the cell under the microscope. Got it? The Antony Leeuwenhoek was discovered by the first microscope. Means we have no need to detail study about the history of microscope, what is the structure of microscope, what is the function of microscope. We just the study only the discovery, means the name of the scientist who discovered the microscope and what he observed, what he was observing the under the microscope. We have need only the name of the scientist who discovered the microscope. Got it? Means the first single cell organisms are observed by the scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He observed under the microscope the small bacteria. Got it? Later, the Robert Hooke, he was the English scientist and he developed the microscope by using two lenses. Means see, the Antony van Leeuwenhoek using the single lens, and the Robert Hooke, he discovered the cell. Means the Robert Hooke was the English scientist first observed the cell under the microscope, and he was using the two lens. He was using two lens and he magnification 50 times more than the Antony Leeuwenhoek. When the Robert Hooke observed the cell, means the piece of the bark, piece of our skin, and observed under the microscope, he observed the structure like that. See, and means it is the like a honeycomb. You know honeycomb? It is the blocks. He observed the cell like that, a honeycomb, and each smallest blocks is called as a cell. Means the scientist Robert Hooke has given the name of the blocks is called as a cell. And our body, all living organism is made from a single cell, and in that lesson we have to detail study about that the cell. You just keep it in your mind. The Robert Hooke was the English scientist. He observed the microscope by using the two lens, and the latter is known as the compound microscope. Latter is called compound microscope. Now in our laboratory we are using the compound microscope. We can observe the smallest thing in the 50 times magnification, and the latter, the more invention of the electronic microscope, we are added the further information, further fact about the cell. Means it is the 50 times magnification, and with the help of electronic microscope 2 lakh times more magnification against the compound microscope. And with the help of electronic microscope we are detailed study about that the internal structure of the cell. Means the which organelle is present in the cell, what is the structure of each organelle. Later we will detailed study about in the lesson. See student, the next topic is the cell theory. Cell theory means student, what is mean by cell? Cell is the smallest unit of living organism. Means what? All living organism are made from a single cell. Means see, our brain is made from cell, our heart is made from cell, our stomach is made from cell. Means all parts of body is made of cell. So the cell is the structural unit of life. And why the cell is a functional unit of life? Means see, our heart is beating, our heart is pumping and transport the blood to each and every parts. Means the working of the heart means the together working of the cell, so performing the action. So the cell is the functional unit. Means see, our body is present the many organs together performing the work. Got it? The cell is also so many organelles, and these organelles are performing the work together, and we are performing the function. So the cell is called as the functional unit. Got it student? Why the cell is called structural unit, why the cell is called functional unit? Structural unit means the all living organism is made from cell, and all living organisms are performing some function. This function is the together activity of the cell. and all living organisms are arise from pre-existing cell. Pre-existing cell means we are made from a single cell, means the zygote, where our life is developed from. In the last previous classes already you have studied about that fertilization, reproduction. For what it means, our body is made from single cell. In the fertilization you have studied about that the two cells, animal cell, plant cell, the two cells are fused to each other and form a zygote, and later the zygote is developed and our body parts are developed, means all organism like human being, like mango tree, like bacteria, some insects, some birds, all arise from the cells. The soul arise from the pre-existing thing, and the cell is later divide itself and form the organ. Got it, student? What is mean by the cell and the structure of the cell I explain in the next video. All cells are not the same in shape. The cells are different shape as per their function. Means some muscle cell in our body have a muscle, in our body have a blood cell, reproductive cells, skin cell, nerve cell. In the tissue, in the previous class, the tissue already we have studied about that. In our body there are a different kind of the tissue, epithelial tissue, connective tissue. Okay, means all the shape of the cells are not the same, structure are same, but the shapes are different. The shapes are depend as per their performing the function. The nerve cell is conduct the impulses. You know, nerve cell, our brain is made from nerve cell, our spinal cord is made from nerve cell. In the previous classes already I explained about that, what is the nerve cell. Okay, muscle, our muscle is made from cell. Blood cell, blood is also one kind of the cell, and these also performing the function to transportation of what minerals and oxygen to each part of the cell. Reproductive cell, skin cells, means our body, our skin is made from tissue, our tissue is made from cell. Got it? Means the cell have a different shape as per the requirement of our body. Got it? Means some are the smallest, biggest, largest, as per the functioning the cells are different. Means say some organism is made from a single cell, some organisms are made from a few cell, multicellular organism. Bacteria, see the bacteria body is only a single cell. Some organism, there means the microscopic organism, their body is made from multi-cell, few cell. Human being, our body is made from the millions, trillion cells. Got it? Some cells are very smallest, like a bacteria, their body is made from only single cell. Largest cell, the nerve cell, the length of the nerve cell is near about 1 meter. The largest cell, the ostrich. You know, the eggs is also one kind of the cell. Why? Because the new organism is also formed to the eggs. So eggs is also one kind of the cell. And the ostrich eggs, you know, ostrich bird, the ostrich eggs is the largest cell of the universe. Got it, student? What is the basic information of the cell? In the next video I will details explanation about that the structure of cell. Got it, student? Keep healthy, student, and take care yourself as well as your parents, and do study hard into the pandemic situation. In the next video I will detail study about that the structure of cell. Thank you.